Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and size comparison, and we're going to have a look at the competition as well of the new Samsung A20e. Now I got this phone from VoloKin or pay as you go, 110 pounds guys. That's including a 10-pound top up. So basically essentially Samsung are selling a 100-pound phone. Let that soak in. That's a direct hit to Xiaomi, for example, the Redmi Note 7, which I'm about to unbox straight after this one, which is its main competitor. This one is about 100 pounds as well, but I'm finally happy to see that Samsung realized the importance of the low-end devices. If you are lucky enough like me, you got another 30 pounds cashback from Samsung, but as I can imagine, it's a little bit too late because I'm doing this unboxing when this promotion expires. But anyway, let's have a look at these specifications first guys and check this out. We've got 4G octa-core Exynos processor, we've got 5.8-inch 720p plus screen, 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel bokeh camera at the back, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 32 gigs of storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. And what they don't tell you is that the battery is only 3000 milliamp hours, which is not a lot by the today's standards. Fast charging, I'm gonna put that to the test. So let's get the unboxing, and I'm gonna get my little unboxing knife over here guys, and I'm gonna slice through these stickers over here. Let me see, we've got another one over here, security seal. Never buy the device which the security seal is broken. That's what they used to say back in the day. Now who cares, everybody's buying refurbished phones anyway. So yeah, but not me. This time I bought a new phone guys. This time I can afford to buy a $100 phone with my modest channel. So let's see what do we have, what's inside over here. I'm very curious to see. I bet they didn't include a case. I can bet money on that. Okay, some books. That's about it. Okay, you've got the charger over here, UK charger. It's good to see that for a change. It looks quite beefy. Let me see, what does it say at the back? Bloody hell, 10 amps. That's 10 watts, excuse me, 10 watts. That's not very fast, but anyway. Cable, and what do we have? A cheap, crappy headphones. Check this out, guys. This is not very nice, but anyway, I'm never gonna use that. And the SIM ejection tool is over here. I'm gonna leave that to the side, and it's time for the review of this Samsung phone. Let's slide this one like that actually. All right, what do we have guys? Oh man, nice. I think that's plastic, but it feels very nice actually. But man, I'm surprised. The phone feels surprisingly nice in the hand. Let me put my SIM in. What do we have over here? We've got a headphone jack. Can you imagine guys? USB Type-C, fingerprint is at the back, the dual camera over here. I can't wait to put my SIM in, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do now, because I wanna see if this sucker is actually locked to Vodafone, because I think, bloody hell, I think that would be the case unfortunately. So I'm just gonna pop this baby open. Let me see. Once I poke the microphone actually on the Essential phone, so I really don't want to do that mistake ever again. It's not that it got damaged, but man, why did they put this? Samsung, listen man, that's really not nice. Why do you put this crap on the side of the phone? Extra headache for me. So where exactly is the SIM tray? On which side is the SIM tray? Okay, so over here, it's absolutely massive. I don't know why is that so massive, but let's see what we're gonna get over here, guys. All right. Okay, that's what I want to see. Check this out. That's what I want to see. 2 SIM cards plus micro SD. All phones should do like that, guys. Let me see which is SIM 1. Okay, SIM 2. SIM 1 is over here. That's what I want to see. 2 SIM cards plus 1 micro SD card slot. I'm gonna power this baby on, and let's see in the meantime how it compares in terms of size with the competition. That's the Motorola one over here. Check this out guys, it's a little bit smaller. check this out. Black, this one is glass, this one is plastic. This one, when it came out, it cost 300 pounds. I got it for 200, but it's not very good. That's why I'm delaying the review. And the Honor 8X, the unbeatable, well, let's say, I wouldn't say flagship killer, but let's say mid-range killer. The Honor 8X, considerably smaller than this one, and I wished I had the Xiaomi open, but let's compare it to the K20 Pro over here quickly. Yeah, as you can see, guys, it's noticeably smaller. But anyway, SIM network unlock pin, that is not very nice, guys, which means that the phone is actually locked to Vodafone. This is not a big deal though, simply because, well, I mean, unlock code is like 250 on eBay for this phone, or you can use the SIM card for 1 month on Vodafone and then get the unlock code. Let me just set this sucker up for a second and I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. Okay guys, so I've got the phone set up and my first impressions are actually quite positive. Now you've got face unlock, you've got fingerprint unlock, but it's rather slow. As you can see, you put your finger on, you twist, you wait like 2 or 3 seconds, something like that, but at least it's reliable. Now the phone, the screen being 720p, it's not big of a deal, especially for 100 pounds, but this is a high quality screen, guys, and it gets plenty bright as well. Check this out, you can bump it all the way like that. I'm gonna test this sunlight visibility and I'm gonna say that in my full review, but so far I'm happy for what I see. And over here I like the teardrop notch. They didn't cut the screen in properly like the Axon 9 Pro. So first impressions, it's all good over here. Of course the Samsung One UI or whatever they call it, the new one, it looks a little bit cartoonish. But anyway, so far so good, guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to VoloKin Project, because in the next video I'm going to do a speed test between its rival, the Redmi 7. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Adios.